I don't have a lot of time. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna say the word sponge, and you guys are gonna say the first word that pops into your head. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sponge. Sponge. Yellow. Sponge. That's mine. Okay. Let's just try this. We're gonna try this one more time. Okay.
Shit. Oh, God.
Jennifer definitely was not cool.
Hello?
She had just been robbed.
What? No. Wait, what? No, I haven't. Oh. Yeah, my room's just a little messy.
Her room was a disaster.
Okay.
She hadn't left the house in 2 weeks.
It's only been 1 week. 1.5. Fine, 1 3/4. Fine, 2 weeks.
Her sleep schedule was an absolute wreck. Going to bed at 5 a.m. every day definitely was not healthy. If only she had followed through on her aspirations from last year.
I want to change my life around in 2021. This year, I want to get my shit together.
Wait, it hasn't been that long, has it? February 16th, 2021.
It is now 2022.
Okay, we get it, alright? My life is a mess.
My life is a mess.
Her life was a mess.
Okay, you know what? I will take it from here.
Last year, I set out on the seemingly impossible journey of, dun dun dun, getting my life together. I had all the makings of a person whose life was in shambles. Messy room? Check. Not having been outside in weeks? Check. Lack of social life? Check. Hyperfixation on the fact that we're all gonna die eventually and that nothing really matters? Jumbo check. On top of that, we were still living through a worldwide panini. But I decided, despite all the odds, this was my year. And so, the Glow Up Project was born. There were so many aspects of my life that I wanted to change. And I knew that it would be a domino effect because when I worked on one thing, other parts of my life would also start to improve. I even took into account my indecisiveness, throwing a dart to help me choose what aspect of my life I would work on. I was so excited to get started on my new life and see what came next. So, what went wrong? Honestly, I think we're all a little guilty of promising to get our lives together at the beginning of every new year. But really, it's no wonder we fail when we make such grand, sweeping statements that seem to gloss over all the hard work and tediousness that actually goes into improving your life. If it was easy, we'd all already have the perfect life. I think it's so fun for me to live in this little fantasy dream life in my brain where all my issues can be solved with a montage to an 80s coming-of-age soundtrack. And sometimes, I guess I'm just not ready for the reality that the journey is gonna feel like shit.
Truthfully, I kind of let myself go in 2021 in the worst way possible. Sure, it may have seemed fine on social media, but honestly, I've just gotten really good at hiding it. I didn't take care of myself at all, and all the bad habits that I had in 2020 pretty much just got worse in 2021. I don't really know why. Oh, well, maybe it's due to the fact that the worldwide pandemic is continuing to swallow up my youth. The prime of my youth. But that's just it. I'm supposed to be at my prime, and I'm wasting it doing what? Sitting on my ass watching New Girl for the 6th time? I'm so sorry. I love you. You're just collateral damage. I know we all deserve to take it easy after the 2 years of shit that we're continuing to go through, but I think I've reached my rock bottom. Throwing up on the beach with my sprained ankle in a cast, blowing my nose every 5 minutes because of my chronic nasal issues. Yeah. I'll tell you guys more about that soon enough. I'm gonna get my shit together. For real this time.
Coming January 30th, the return of the Glow Up Project. This is a story of grit, gumption,
Oh my.
and girl bossery, Jennifer will see herself become the person she always felt she could be.
Really depends.
And then, with each new episode, comes a brand new Gen Z song. Experience the Glow Up project in movie and musical form like never before. So, what comes next?
I guess we'll just have to wait and see.